Welcome back. I have a live look outside for you this morning. This is Pismo Beach, thanks to surfline.com. You can tell the lens here on this camera is even foggy. Could be a little bit wet from that rain. Some stormy conditions continue today for your Monday, and we can actually expect them through Tuesday. And speaking of the coastline here, out in Pismo Beach and other areas throughout the Central Coast, there is a high surf advisory in effect through at 11 o'clock. However, no one should really be in the water because it's been raining so much. Some of that water could be contaminated due to that debris flow going into the ocean. Let's give you a live look though at our satellite radar here. You can see here where the storm is continuing to head. A few things going on, but as we continue into Tuesday, cooler temperatures will be in the forecast. We could actually even reach the upper 40s in certain areas for the interior valleys in San Luis Obispo County. Microclimate model here shows this band of rain continuing to shift along the Santa Barbara County south coast. Then we're left with some scattered showers throughout the rest of the morning. This will be the trend as we continue into the rest of your Monday. You can even see right around 2 o'clock continued shower activity, and this will go into your Tuesday as well. Giving you a look at some of our storm details with this system. Central Coast could see anywhere from about ½ an inch to 1 inch of rain. South Coast up to 2 inches of rain. Mountains 2 to 3 inches of rain. And we're expecting the heaviest rainfall with this particular system today to last through the 11 o'clock hour. A few advisories to tell you about. There's a flood advisory that was issued for San Luis Obispo County through the 8 o'clock hour because those rain rates exceeded near about ½ an inch per hour. So there could be some flooding in the roadways, any of the low-lying areas, intersections. And as I mentioned, that high surf advisory, waves could reach 12 feet for San Luis Obispo County beaches, and then for Santa Barbara County South Coast, anywhere from 4 to 7 feet. That wind advisory is still in effect here. That's this portion right here. Wind gusts could reach up to 40 miles per hour. Again, expires at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then talking about Tuesday, some interesting conditions for us in the forecast. Snow is a possibility actually for the mountains for San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties. As we head into Ventura counties, similar situation. They're just expecting much more of it. They could get about 9 to 8 inches of snow. And that also goes for Los Angeles County as well. So a little bit different for our forecast here, but here's a look at the winds where they're heading in that 8 o'clock hour. You can see right around 30 miles per hour, but picking up for certain areas like Paso Robles. This will kind of be the trend heading into the rest of today. Remember that advisory expires at 3 o'clock. Doesn't mean we won't have breezy conditions later this evening though. And your daytime highs look to be fairly consistent, low to upper 50s throughout most of the Central Coast today. And as I mentioned, temperatures are going to start to cool down heading into Tuesday for areas like Shandon, Creston, even Paso Robles or Atascadero. We could see daytime highs tomorrow in the upper 40s. Now let's give you a live look at traffic here really quick. A look outside. This is Highway 101 just outside of KSBY Studios. You can see traffic is flowing, but those roads are wet. We've been getting a lot of reports this morning of flooded roadways, some mud, dirt, and rock in the roads as well, and a few traffic collisions. However, they don't look to be causing any delay in your commute. But just as a reminder, you definitely want to leave some extra time to get to your destination this morning because it's a little bit dangerous out there on the roads. I'll send it back to you, Christina.
Thanks,